gonna enjoy this trip. I really need this trip. I cannot wait to go to Mexico. Good morning. It is 5 something in the morning. I just got to the airport and I cannot wait to go on this trip. I'm so excited. Here, I have arrived in paradise and I am alone. And I know exactly what to do with myself. I was gonna say I don't know what to do with myself, but I know exactly what to do with myself because there is peace, there is quiet, there is a hammock outside of my room on the balcony. I will show you all of that. I will show you this fabulous room, and then I'm going to relax for a little while and maybe explore this fantastic, beautiful, supernatural, otherworldly hotel that we are staying at in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. I am exhausted, so I'm gonna take it easy today. I'm here for a friend's wedding though, so I'm gonna do wedding stuff while I'm here. But first, I am literally going to let my hair down and try to relax for a little while. So, yay. Yay for Mexico. Yay for solo trip to Mexico. I haven't done this in a really long time, so I'm gonna have some fun.